For over a century, Union Sanitary District has protected both the environment and public health in the Tri-City area by safely returning treated wastewater back to the environment. This may sound simple, but it requires carefully managing a complex network of pipes, pumps, and large-scale machinery, totaling nearly $700 million in assets. Although our infrastructure is well maintained, portions of the Alvarado treatment plant in Union City date back to the 1960s. To maintain our high level of service, we are embarking on a comprehensive capital improvement program that will serve as our roadmap for the next 40 years of reliable, cost-effective operations. The Enhanced Treatment and Site Upgrade Program, or ETSU, is the largest and most extensive improvement program in our history.
Over the next several years, the program will progress in 3 phases and will include upgrades to many parts of the Alvarado plant to renew aging infrastructure, improve water quality in the bay through enhanced wastewater treatment, and increase the resiliency of our facility. When we talk about treating wastewater, we're talking about removing substances through a series of physical, biological, and chemical processes. This can include removing large materials like flushable wipes, all the way down to microscopic organisms and nutrients like nitrogen. Nitrogen is a naturally occurring nutrient that can cause algae to grow faster than ecosystems can handle, impacting water quality and decreasing oxygen that fish and other aquatic life need to survive. Historically, the bay has been naturally resilient to nutrient-related problems, but recent studies indicate that this resilience may be declining. Every day, the Alvarado plant receives more than 10,000 pounds of nitrogen and ammonia from our 356,000 service area population. Once the ETSU program is complete, we'll be able to reduce nitrogen by 50% and ammonia by 90% before releasing treated water into the bay. Phase 1A has 2 components. The first consists of modifications to the plant's existing aeration basins and the addition of a new basin. Aeration basins are large tanks that use powerful blowers and diffusers to pump a high volume of oxygen through wastewater to enhance the bacterial population, also known as bugs in the industry. The bugs use the oxygen to thrive, and organic materials in wastewater as food. The basins accelerate this natural process, breaking down those materials and enabling us to treat vast quantities of waste reliably, quickly, and efficiently. The second component of Phase 1A will include constructing a new campus building within the plant, comprised of operations, maintenance, and administration. It will be more resilient to sea level rise and built to seismic code to ensure our facilities stay up and running 24/7. Placing the new campus building in this location optimizes the layout of the treatment process and reduces the amount of energy needed to pump waste and solids throughout the facility during treatment, leading to less energy usage and lower costs. In Phase 1B, we'll construct secondary clarifiers, a pump station, and a disinfection facility. Each clarifier is the size of a half a football field and 20 feet deep. They're used downstream of the aeration basins, aiding the treatment process by removing any solids that can either float or settle out via gravity. Along with the clarifiers, we're also constructing a new pump station that returns those hungry bugs back to the aeration basins, further enhancing the removal of nutrients like nitrogen and protecting our process. The new disinfection facilities work in tandem with the pump station and clarifiers to ensure that we can continue to safely discharge clean water to the bay. Phase 1C will convert the existing secondary clarifier tanks to an equalization basin. Equalization basins hold the wastewater that flows into the plant at varying rates, then pump it out as a steady rate to provide a stable flow of wastewater through the treatment process. This is especially important during heavy rainfall or storms, when the flow coming into the plant can vary. Equalized flow allows us to use less power for treatment and minimize operating costs.
If you think this sounds like a huge job, you're right. But our highly skilled employees are constantly working to carry out our mission while providing our customers with the lowest possible rates. The ETSU program includes only the most critical projects needed for our system, and we examined many options to ensure the best value. The phases of the program over the next 7 to 10 years have been prioritized for maximum performance, efficiency, and cost control. Our local natural habitats depend on healthy waterways and a thriving bay. The environment we live in and enjoy every day means as much to us as it does to you, and we are proud to have a leadership role in protecting it. The ETSU program will mean we can continue to protect public health, provide the best possible service to the Tri-Cities, and keep protecting our precious home for generations to come. To learn more about the ETSU program, please visit our website,